Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Izorowa, and today, what is it?
Hello!
Okay, no screaming. Just say hello in a nice way, in a ladylike way. Say hello everybody.
Hello,
Today we're going to be okay. Today, hold on. Today we're going to be making Ayamase. Everybody say Ayamase. Ah, say Ayamase. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you something. Hold on. You still want to show? Okay, tell everybody. Subscribe. Ah, look at you. She's so... And click on the bell. Say click on the bell. Are you shy now? Okay, so I'm going to be making Ayamase today. I usually make the traditional. I usually make Ayamase in the traditional way. So I make Ayamase a lot. I stopped making it after a while because it's a lot of hassle. I'm making a video and you're making noise. I don't like it. You've shown in my video and that's enough.
Mommy.
I cannot carry. I don't have energy. Stop now. You want to watch the tire? Tire the bus?
Yes.
Okay. Is that why you're screaming?
No.
Okay, so what is it? So I used to make Ayamase a lot. The traditional way. I make it in the traditional way. And this time around, I'm going to be making it in a very different way. I found a website where they sell Ayamase mix, pepper mix. It's called Simi and Temi. So I found them through Lizzie O. Does anybody know Lizzie O? Of course you should know her. So I found her through Lizzie O on Instagram. And then later I went to go and watch. After I purchased, of course, I had to buy it right away because we miss Ayamase a lot. And my life is so busy that I cannot be making Ayamase in a traditional way right now. So any way that is easy for me, I'll grab it. And I'm going to show you Ayamase mix. I bought the moderate because I love spicy food. Oh my god. My food has to be spicy. I love it so much. I'm trying to cut down on spice because of my children. They're beginning to know what spicy is. When they were little, like when they were babies, when they're able to eat, of course, I used to give them spicy food. They would take it and everything. But now they have sense now. So when the food is very spicy, yes, they will cry out. But now I bought this moderate. I bought it in moderate Ayamase pepper mix, and I'm going to be making it. I cannot wait. I bought two. I don't have a discount code. If you want discount code, you can go through Lizio. I'm going to put a link right here below. I think it's on, oh yes, not I think, it's on YouTube and Instagram, the code. I used the code and I got good discount. So at least $3 off. That was good. I think 15% off, I think. So I bought two. One is $9.99. Let's just say $10. So I bought two because I know it's going to be good. Yeah, 1 and 2. So I know it's going to be very good, and I'm going to try it now. I've prepared some of my meats. I prepared the pomo already because you know how pomo is now. You have to cook pomo, you know. So right now I'm making the meat. So the mix. I'm going to be using a mixture of meat. I'm going to be using beef. I'm going to be using cow stripe, which is shaki. Oof. And of course my pomo. So those are the three meats I'm going to be putting in the Ayamase. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. I'm going to wait a little bit for the meat to be cooked, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is to put them in the oven. I like, when I'm making Ayamase stew, I like my meat to be baked because it has this kind of texture that I like in the ayamase stew. I don't like it when it's boiled and you put it in the ayamase stew. I don't like the consistency, the texture. So I prefer it to be baked before dropping it, pouring them into my ayamase stew. So I'm going to show you how I do that. All right, let's go. So this is the meat. I'm going to be putting them in the oven to bake for a little bit. I have some leftovers there. This one is for my vegetable. I'm going to be making vegetable too. But I'll be showing you only the ayamase. So, let's go to the oven. I preheated it to 450. And now, I'm going to be putting this in the oven. And that's it for now. My pot is, I need to make it dry up. This is the pot I use in making the beef. I don't have to wash it out because I need the flavor, the juice and everything. So I'm going to be drying this pot, putting the ayamase in this bowl. So I'm going to be cutting this ayamase with my kitchen scissors. Oh, let me show you the inside. So because it's dry pepper, I have to soak this in hot water from the tap, of course. So I'm just going to pour this in. Ooh, look at that. So, this is spicy. Ooh. It hit my throat. Ooh. Okay. This is how it is. My nose, there's pepper up in my nose. I'm just going to stir it together with this spoon. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just going to soak it up. It's hot enough. Okay. Don't worry, my hands are washed and everything. So I'm going to just cover it up with a sling wrap. Okay. Just want to make sure it's well soaked and all. Just going to leave it here. I'll leave it to soak. I use this plastic wrap because I want to be seeing everything. You can use foil paper if you want. You can also use a napkin to cover it up, but this is just me. If this works for me, I'm able to see whatever is going on. Okay, so I also have my, of course, my my stock, beef stock to put inside. I'm going to be using this prawn, putting it inside. It gives it a very nice flavor, so I'm going to be doing that. This prawn has my heart. I love it so much. So I'm just going to be picking some out and putting inside. This is exactly how I make my ayamase. I put prawn. Sometimes I just put the powdered one. So both of them works. Doesn't matter. That's just the way I do mine. So I'm doing it the same way. It's just that the difference is that I have pepper mix. I'm not grinding the pepper, and that really makes my work time in the kitchen very short, very easy. But I'm hoping that it's going to taste exactly like, oh, that's enough. I'm hoping that it's going to taste exactly like my ayamase stew. It smells like it already. So I'm just going to use water to wash it. So I'm going to be checking the pepper mix to see if it's already soaked in. Oh my god. It's soaked in real quick. Wow. This is really quick. So I'll just leave it a little bit, and while I'm waiting, I bleached it out already. And I'm going to put my onions. I'm going to put some of it. That's just enough, because I'm going to be using the rest of them to make vegetable soup. Okay, this is my red onion. I like it long inside my ayamase soup like this. If you don't like onions, you can dice it. But this is just the way I love it. My children love onions, especially my third daughter. So I'm just going to go right ahead and get the ayamase sauce, pepper mix in here. Let me see if I can turn on the light here better. Look at that. Oh my god, this is already so thin, just like the way I normally blend my pepper for Ayamase. This is so nice. Wow. Okay, don't let me talk too much because somebody here is hungry. Okay. Wow. I'm gonna put a bit of water, and then of course we'll be adding more water to this. And then I'm going to put some of the stock in here. It's gonna thicken up by itself, so never mind. Head and just put the prawns inside. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting mine. You know, it's very hard, so I'm just going to put it inside. So it's going to thicken up, so don't worry about it. If you don't put locust beans, in English it's called locust beans. So I'm going to be putting 1 spoon of that. And let me put a little bit more. Definitely I'm going to be putting this in hot water and just let it soak through a little bit. I'm gonna wash it. My iru is inside. Look at. Hey. Okay. I just stopped the baking process on the meat. It's already thick. See that? It's already thick the way the exact way I want it. And it smells like Ayamase stew that I normally cook. I'm not putting salt yet because I don't know the meat. Maybe I seasoned it too much. I don't know. That's why I put the meat inside. Look at my meat. Look at the exact way it looks fried, right? I bake my meat all the time because we're trying to do it from here, so we're not trying to be fat. For my Ayamase stew, I like my meat. I don't know if I said it before. I like my meat to be small like this, really small. Yeah. So I have this. Let me taste this to make sure it's not too. Woo, look at this scintillating, escalating, deliciousing. So while that is going on the stove, I'm just going to boil my rice in my rice cooker for aroma. So this is so good. I just had to put the very tiny salt inside because it was already tasting good. It tastes exactly, I tasted it already. It tastes exactly like Ayamase stew. I'm not saying this because I want them to come and, you know, no. I'm not saying this to make them feel good or happy or something. This is just the true view of this Ayamase stew. This Simi and Temi's pepper mix for Ayamase stew. It's so good. It's so nice. I added a little bit of water because it was getting the picking. So this is exactly how I love it. Okay, good. My time in the kitchen is now reduced. Seriously, this is so good. It literally took me maybe 20 minutes to cook all this because I didn't have to blend anything. This is so good. Seriously guys, I cannot believe that I just made Ayamase stew without blending pepper, with just pepper mix. Let me talk like Lizzie. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. Look at this one. This one, you're going to be eating pepper, Simi and Temi's Ayamase mix in few minutes. Let us finish boiling the rice. I'm still in shock. I'm shook. I'm still shook that I just made one pot of $10 soup. $10 soup. It's $9.99. Of course, I had to buy the meat, even the meat itself. On a more serious note, the meat that I bought wasn't up to $20. I know. Ah! Oh my god. It's loaded. Mama Shaki. Beef. I'm still going to the pot again. Like, look. Oh, let me turn it like see how my pot is loaded. More inside. One thing is missing though. One thing is missing. Egg is missing. So let me see if I still have egg in the house. I have 2 eggs. I'm trying to reduce eating of egg. I'm doing food farm. So I'm just going to boil 2 eggs for my husband and then the children. If it's so good, my children don't eat boiled eggs, so I'll just so I'm just going to boil the 2 eggs inside and then put it in later. So what I did was put it inside my rice cooker. So it's still cooking and we're almost good to go. Okay, this is the finished look of my Ayamase mix. Oh my god. This is my own. Me and the children will be eating this one. So hubby is going to taste this of this one. And I'm very sure he's going to get more. Okay. My taster is here. My taster is here. Let us just look at its face first. Oh yeah. No, be honest. If it's not that good, let me know. It's okay. It's fine. It doesn't waste it to the house, so don't even bother. Pray on it. Pray. Okay. How does it taste? The honest. If it's rubbish, they just it's okay. Just say it. Oh my god. It tastes like the Ayamase soup I normally make, right? Wow. See? This food. See, the rice I cooked today, it will not last. Probably the Ayamase soup will last because a lot of it's like a pot of Ayamase soup. So I'm so happy. I am getting more. Although I bought 2, I'm going to make 1 again next week. Definitely, my husband is enjoying this food. So now it's my turn to enjoy the food. Ah, God of mercy. Where will I start from? Where will I start from? My God. Where will I start from? Look at them doing this one self. Can you imagine? Let me see if you can see my face. So I'm going to be eating this. Hey! Oh my god! Wow! It tastes exactly the way God. Where has Simi and Temi been? See, they did not pay me to do this thing. No, they did not pay me anything to do video review on of their product. They didn't know. I saw it on Lizzie O's page on Instagram, and I was like, wow, what? And I've been looking for things that will make my life easier because I have two little ones. Let's see, I have plenty of things I'm doing in my life. Adulting has been pretty difficult, but God is helping us. We trust in God always. So I found this. I'm like, I'm going to buy this thing. $9.99. What? So I bought it by myself with my own money. Okay, I wasn't sponsored. Hopefully one day they will sponsor me. One day. Because now we have more than 1,000 subscribers now. So hopefully they will come and say, okay, I really needed to do this, but I'm doing this for them, you know, because I promised to do that. So okay. On this note, I'm just going to say I'm a believer. I'm going to buy more of it. So right now I want to enjoy my food. And I'm going to say bye. See y'all soon.